got a myth.
Actually, I'm part of a girl group here in the Philippines.
All right.
Yeah. And I'm the main rapper.
Nice. That's incredible.
Yeah. You wanna... Okay. Usually they pay me to sing, to rap, but... Okay, this time I'll give it to you for free.
No way.
Yeah. Yeah. This is our song. I'm part of the group Beanie.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm the rapper. Usually my hair is red when performing, but right now I'm so tired of the red hair. So
Yeah.
yeah.
A lot of dye and...
So this is our song, and this is my part here. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. This is my part. Mirror, mirror, on the wall, please come Prince Charming, ang wimper ko. Bakit ba pasikot-sikot para bang pinapaikot? Hindi ko talaga magats, ano ba talaga ang next move mo? Gusto ko lang naman nalaman. Ano ba ang katotohan? Well, better say now, it's not too late. I'm ready to be called your princess, hey.
I love that.
Really?
That was great.
You want another one? It's Carrera. When you English it, it's career. I know it's a race. Hey, Benny. Maraming beses na nga ba na napatumayan, naniwalat sa mundong madaya. Ano nga ba, sino nga ba, ikaw ba o ako ba? Hinilang huwag babahala-hala. Huwag kang maniwala sa mga paniniwala na dapat makipag-unahan sa karera. Kung wala namang karera, dahan-dahan, tahan-tahan, kakayanin, isa pa lang yan. And then we have an ending, Perry. That one.
That was great.
Dito ko masasabing plastic talaga kayo sa akin.